Hello everyone, I am Sajasanya. Welcome to iQOO. In this video, I'm going to show you the YouTube playback test in the Realme X, which is supported with the HDR content. So as you can see, guys, so this is a 1080p with a 60 FPS, and here you can see HDR content is available right now in the Realme X device. So not all the videos are supported with the HDR content, but only a few videos are supported with the HDR content. So directly you can play the videos from the YouTube application with the HDR content available, guys, in the Realme X device. So if you are using the Realme X device, you can try this feature. So overall, by using the HDR content, you feel a little bit high saturated colors when compared with the normal videos. So but you cannot find in all the videos HDR content, guys, as you can see here. So you cannot find in this video, but only a few videos are available with that HDR content supported. As you can see, this is a video which is available with the HDR content. So overall, you get high saturated colors if you are using this kind of HDR content, guys. So right now it's a very good news for the users who are using the Realme X device. So now you'll be able to watch the videos in high dynamic range. As you can see, guys, there's application DRMF info. So where you can see HDR is supported in the Realme X device, but the wide V1 is still the L3. So which means the Netflix is not supported with the HD content. As you can see, guys, this is a Huawei Y9 Prime. So where HDR content is not supported in the device, but only 60 FPS is supported in the phone. So this is just an update regarding the Realme X device. A lot of users are using a Realme X device, so that's why I thought of making a video on that. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.